Hey guys, me and Meep are going to do a little tutorial for you. Two different ways you can make a shadow in Photoshop. So here we go. Let's just create a new document. Like this. And let's make it like this size. Okay. Let's just throw a gradient down so it's not so boring. Make a new layer. Let's grab text tool. We're going to hang on. There, I'll be right there if you need me. Okay, so on our text layer, let's make that say what? Ponca City. Okay, let's go Control T so we can scale it up like so. Enter. Now let's make a new layer. Let's Control click this right here, the text part of the layer, and it puts the marching ants around the text. Now on our new layer, let's grab the gradient tool again and select a different color. Let's just grab this purple here. Do something like that. Now let's do the light at the top. Yeah. Okay. And then let's make another layer. While we still have this marching ants around Ponca City, let's select black. Let's go Alt Backspace. Let's select the marquee tool so we can move the marquee. Then we're going to go down, right, Alt Backspace, down, right, Alt Backspace, down, right, Alt Backspace. Do that about 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. And it gives you that really nice retro shadow look, right? Okay, so now let's grab our text selection back, like that. Control click layer 2 on the text part. Let's make a new layer. Now let's text to switch to white, Alt Backspace to fill it in with white. Let's go down, right, delete. And you see it'll just leave a little bit of white right there on the edge. Let's Control D to deselect. Let's tone that down by going opacity down like that. Now it's got kind of a three-dimensional look. Let's tone our shadow down to, oops, wrong one. Okay. Now that looks kind of cool, but let's see if something else you could do is take your shadow layer. Let's duplicate it. Go Control J to duplicate it, and then let's go filter, blur, motion blur. Let's rake it about 45 degrees and distance about 40 pixels. All right, and then let's turn this other one off for now. Now we're gonna have to throw a mask on there. Select a brush. Now we can go through all along the top and mask out the top of the shadow because that's where the light hits. There shouldn't be a shadow on the top or the left like that. You can hold shift. Oops, took too much out. You can hold shift and it'll constrain to that axis and that plane. That's the right word for it. Okay, I'm not doing this very good, guys, but you get the point. I'll show you how. Okay, that's how you would have done a shadow back when computers were very first invented. Let's do it the modern way. Ready? All right, let's delete all this. Let's start with the text layer of Ponca City again. This time we're just going to right click, go to blending options. We're going to go to drop shadow, select it. There he is. There we go. There he is. There he is. Okay, we can increase the opacity, increase the distance, angle that the light will hit it, the spread. You can mess with all these settings till your heart's content, or till your heart's not content sometimes. There you go, though. All right. Much love, guys.